Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing these curls. I haven't decided what I want to call them yet. They're either going to be S-waves, old Hollywood glam. Either way, it's this look right here. So if you guys want to learn how to do these, then make sure you keep on watching. You're going to be needing in today's video is dry texture spray, which this one is the Oribe dry texturizing spray. And then a light holding hairspray. This is the Bumble spray de mode. It's a flexible hold hairspray. And then you're going to need a little mascara wand or a little brush or something, whatever you use for like detailing baby hairs or anything like that. And then you're also going to need a wand. So the first thing that I'm going to do for these little S-weave curls is I'm going to section out the back. So like this much. And then I'm going to take like a little banana clip and we're going to clip everything up. So for this, I'm going to be using a wand. This is the plugged-in one. I'm not sure what size it is, but this is what it looks like. With the S-wave curls, you want everything to be going the same way. So for this, I'm going to be curling them forward towards my face. And that's going to be all around. So you're just going to wrap it. And I'm probably going to leave like ½ an inch out of the bottom just because I never like curling the ends fully. You turn, so hopefully you guys can see this. And you don't want to touch them yet either, and you want to wait for them to completely cool before you start like breaking them apart. I'm just going to section out how I want my hair parted when I decide to curl everything, and I want like a heavy side part from this side over. Clip that up. I'm gonna go get 2 more clips because this is not okay. A little crazy right now, but it's okay. Be careful not to burn your finger or your neck because I've literally done that like 1,000 times. It's not fun. It freaking hurts. Dude, I forgot to tell you guys the temperature that I have it on. It's at like 340. This is literally going to be my style for fall. Like literally all of fall. Oh, and if you guys haven't noticed, like I definitely just put a glaze over my hair too to kind of like warm everything up. It's kind of like, you can't even see it in person, but I tried to put some red in there, but I was real nervous about putting too much red, so I kind of put more brown. But here we are with this cinnamon color. Okay, whenever I am doing anything on my right side, I'll pull it over to the right, flip this wand over like this, and curl backwards. Oh, I think I shut it off. Crap. Yeah, there we go. It's just easier because then I'm literally going to be like bending my arm everywhere and my arms get tired. Does that ever happen to you guys? You start blow drying or curling your hair and then like not even halfway through you feel like you got a full-on workout? Like, no fucking thank you. Okay, I'm just gonna finish up the back and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do with this front section. And make sure you guys have heat protectant in your hair. I have way too many people that are coming to me without putting heat protectant in their hair and they are frying the crap out of it. And whenever I'm done curling them, I'll kind of like pull them a little bit to kind of loosen them up because I don't want them super tight. I've been loving this hairstyle, so I actually just went to Connecticut, so you guys are gonna see in my, I'm probably gonna post my vlog first before I post this hair tutorial. I did this look for a party, like a family party that we had, and ever since then I'm like, yes, this is going to be like my whole fall season look with this hair color, because I am living for it. I'm living for it because I feel like no one's curling their hair like this right now.
Yeah. I'm filming. Is this your shit? Yeah. Okay. Oh my god. This is right here. I had a question. Oh my god. This is nice. So yeah. Oh my
Gosh, so you guys have to go watch my New York vlog with my best friend Kayla, and I met up with Tina. Her YouTube name is Moon Goddess, and we had so much fun. I definitely want to make another trip to New York because New York is like my freaking inspiration place, and I was definitely needing it. Like, I went at the perfect time. I feel like work has been crazy, just everything, and I was just needing like a little mini vacay, so it was really nice to be able to go and spend time with my friends, and to go see my cousin as well since she goes to school over there. It was the best. Definitely gonna have to make another trip over there because I was living my best life. I feel like New York is crazy expensive though. Like, you can literally spend like over $200 easily just being over there with food, and then like, and you go shopping, and then there's little things on the street, and you're just like, I need that, but you really don't need it. So I've been dying to do a Halloween. I need a Halloween look, guys. If you guys have any ideas, like, please comment below, because I'm struggling this year. Like, I really don't know what the heck to do. I've been looking up so many like things on Pinterest, and it's just not, it's not the one.
Ziggy! Come here! Hey!
This is a flexible hairspray, so I'm just going to take that and kind of spray it all over, so that way it'll set and hold, and when we go to brush them out, it'll help without making them super frizzy. Okay, now for this, you're going to want to take horizontal sections, so we're going to do this way. So about this much. Tie the rest up, split it into two, and remember you're curling towards your face. I'm trying to remember that too because I messed up like twice already. Then we are going to kind of pull it back a little bit and then curl it, because that's going to give us like a little bit of volume at the top when we put hairspray on. And now that we're done curling, I'm going to go back in with the same spray and spray everything together. Okay, now that we're done, you're going to want to go back in and put some texture spray in your roots and kind of spray it all over so that way we have volume. For this, your fingers are going to be your best friend, so you're going to want to hold down when you break them apart.
I know what you did, yeah, I know, and I want to talk about it, and I know you don't.
And then you're going to want to make sure you don't have any like section lines or anything, so make sure you're pulling everything together. This is a really good trick that I like to use. When you're holding your hair down, spray lightly and lift up. Then you're going to go down a little bit more, spray, and then lift up. Sorry guys, I'm getting like hairspray in my eye and shit. Okay, now we're going to flip to the other side, spray down. For this part, since I always like having like a little bit of a like lift here, you can pull back and like kind of scrunch it forward. And then since I want my bangs and everything to flow together, I'll go through and like separate little pieces. You're gonna want to do this with your hair. It'll kind of mesh everything together. After I'm done doing that, I like to go in with like a little mascara. Here's hair on it. A little mascara one, so that way I can brush down my baby hairs. I don't like to put anything on them. Well, today at least, just because I'm not really doing anything, and I hate having them glued to my damn forehead. I'm just gonna brush them. Okay guys, so to finish up this look, I'm going to be going in and taking like a little barrette. One of these. I'm going to try to figure out what I'm going to do, but I'm going to tuck one side behind my ear and kind of put something right there because I feel like it just always makes this look so much better. I'm just going to brush back one side. Normally I'll do this with hairspray and everything. If you guys want to, that's totally fine, or gel, but I'm probably going to take this out right after this video, so no. I'm going to kind of take it up by my ear and go up and clip down. We're going to take some little bobby pins. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If any of you guys decide to try this look, be sure to tag me in it. I hope you guys decide to, because I really enjoyed this look. I feel like these curls need to come back. These whole, like, I love beach waves, but this is definitely something that's more like glamorous and like soft looking, so I'm feeling it right now. This is definitely going to be my look for the fall. And I've been loving these like little barrettes too. They just add so much to your look. I just love them. So much detail. I'm going to give you guys a little spin around.
Don't judge me.